In this video, we have a important formula to discuss. This formula shows up on homeworks, quizzes, and exam all the time. The integral of 1 over x squared plus a squared dx is equals to 1 divided by a inverse tangent or arctangent. So inverse tangent is the same thing as arctangent. Arctangent of x divided by a, and a is just a constant. This type of problem exists all the time. So let's take a look at this integral. So in this integral, look at the denominator. X squared plus a squared, we have 1 plus x squared. So that tells me a is equals to 1. And then one other technique that you have to know when you integrate is it is okay to pull the constant out. It is okay to do so. So what do I mean by that? So the first line, I can write this. I can write a times the integral from 1 over root 3 to square root of 3, 1 divided by 1 over x squared dx. All right, so that is equals to a. Now you integrate the rational function. 1 divided by 1 over x squared is equals to inverse tangent of x. Or of course, if when a is equals to 1, you can do inverse tangent of x divided by 1, which is equals to 1, right? Because sometimes they don't use 1. Sometimes they might use, let me give you an example. Let's say they use the integral 1 divided by 9 x squared, okay, 9 plus x squared dx, okay? So this one, 9 is equals to 3 squared, so that tells me a is equals to 3. So to integrate that, you have 1 divided by a, which is 3, and then inverse tangent, and then x divided by 3. All right, and then now we have to say such that x goes from 1 over root 3 to root 3, and then you just plug it in, right? So that is equals to a times inverse tangent of root 3 minus a times inverse tangent of 1 over root 3. Wow, how do we evaluate that? So now you have to review your unit circle. So your unit circle stuff, let's do that in yellow. So unit circle. 2 points that I have to review is pi over 6 and pi over 3. So what is the coordinate of pi over 6? That is root 3 over 2. The y coordinate is 1/2 for root 3. The x coordinate is 1/2. The y coordinate is root 3 over 2. And then the tangent, so for tangent theta, we know that tangent is y divided by x, right? So for y divided by x, but I don't see any root 3 in here. So you don't see any root 3 in here because when you do the y divided by x, let's take the 1/2 divided by root 3 over 2. Do you see that this is equals to 1 over root 3? And then you rationalize that. You multiply top and bottom by root 3. So you have a 1 over root 3. Oh, actually, you don't have to rationalize. And then the other one, we take the y over x. We take the root 3 divided by 2 over 1/2. So this one is just a root 3. So what that means is, the first one, the inverse tangent of root 3, so that is just equal to pi over 3. And then minus a, the negative 1 over root 3, this is from where? This is from the pi over 6, right? That is from pi over 6, so this will be a pi over 6. And then what do we have? We have 8 pi over 3 minus 8 pi over 6. That is just equals to 4 pi over 3. If you do the common denominator, that is just equals to 4 pi over 3. And that is the answer of this question. Okay, so other than that, this is a very popular formula, right? There are 2 more that I want that I want to mention. So let's do the formula in red. So other than this, I want you to write down one more. That one is the integral of 1 divided by the square root of 1 minus x squared dx, that is equals to inverse sine of x. And then the other one is the integral 1 divided by x times the square root of x squared minus 1 dx, that is equals to secant square inverse secant of x. You might see this on your homework, quizzes, and exam. Alright, it is good to write them down as well, other than the one on top. So that is the end of this video. If you think my instruction is helpful, let me know in the comment below. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, share the video for me. Appreciate your help as always. See you all in the next lesson. Signing out for now.